Boy, what's poppin' YouTube? What's poppin' Guala Gang? What's poppin' all that game, man? It's your boy Guala Dude. And yeah, low running legacy, and we are back with a mukgang. As you can see, she's already eating. But yeah, man. I got the new strawberry shortcake McFlurry in the hot and spicy, of course. We gonna mukgang. Legacy got chicken nuggets.
And get some fries. Oh.
Come on, LeBron. Dang. I'm eating the hot and spicy.
And I'm eating some spicy fries.
Boy, if you don't.
Boy, y'all get some.
What's better than a hot and spicy?
Chicken nuggets.
Okay. Yeah. Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. My first time eating the strawberry shortcake from
McDonald's.
McDonald's, yeah. Dumbass motherfucker. Thanks.
Do y'all want some chicken nuggets? Do y'all want some chicken nuggets? With a shortcake? Why you look like that? Why you look like that? Why you look like that? Why you look like that?
Woo, wow. Hey, bro. Bro. Hey.
What?
Ain't no count. Ain't no bout. Fire. This is fire. This is fire, Mickey D's.
No. This Mickey D's McDonald's.
Boy,
What? Y'all get some. Now, I'm gonna dip this in my sauce. I can know.
what? You gonna get the apples in there? Boy, yo.
What y'all get?
Garbage pail eating? She finna dip the apples in the barbecue sauce. Garbage pail eating it?
Well, kitty. No.
What?
Y'all some apples? Y'all want some apples?
Yeah, I'll put it right there.
Daddy.
Move. Let's do it on 3. 1, 2, 3. You gotta act like it's so good.
It's so good.
Don't you Hey, this is fire, boy.
And this is.
Make it rain out there. Hurricane Katrina out.
We got the spicy chicken nugget fries apples.
Oh, that is, boy. What that is, boy? What she talking about, boy?
Look, hey, Daddy.
Boy, yo. Hey.
What? What?
Don't you forget.
I don't want more.
Loose mouth.
I don't want any more.
Hey, but I ain't gonna
What?
cap. I ain't gonna cap, man. Hey, we just bullshitting. Hey, we just bullshit, man. Thanks for having lunch with us. Thanks for eating with us. Thanks for chilling with us. You know what I'm saying? Once again, subscribe. Make sure you like this video, man. We're going the opposite of down, man. Us, never y'all, man. You did. Phone out. Gang! She's playing, by the way.
Big old bank roll, get that cash flow, yeah, get that sack on.